to bring money for inter-house sports today.
My son, I don't have money right now. Please go and ask your father.
Thank you, V.
My dear, why are you taking my wallet? There is no money inside.
I am putting money inside it. Your son is coming to ask you. I know you don't have...
Daddy, please, my school asked me to bring money to school today.
For what?
For inter-house sports today.
Here you are, my son. Take this money and go to school.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you for standing in the gap respectfully with love for me.
He came to ask me for the money, and I advised him to come ask you. Giving him the money myself would have reduced your place in his eyes. You are my husband, his father, and the head of this house. Respect keeps love alive. A wise woman protects her husband's dignity. Marriage is not a competition. It's a partnership built on love and respect. When a husband is honored, love grows stronger. When a wife supports with wisdom, peace fills the home. Our children learn marriage not from what we tell them, but from what they see us do every day. True love does not expose weakness. It covers it with dignity. Lack of money should never become lack of respect. Hard times should unite us, not divide us. Sometimes love works quietly behind the scenes, standing in the gap without seeking applause. When spouses stand together, children feel safe. When respect is protected, confidence is restored. A peaceful home is not built by chance. It is built intentionally with wisdom, sacrifice, and love. If this story touched your heart and reminded you of the power of love and respect in marriage, then don't stop here.
Please subscribe to Focus with Titocan, a channel dedicated to your health, marriage, and social life.